Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice equation. 8 raised to power x is equal to 800. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation. 8 raised to power x is equal to 800. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 8 raised to power x is equal to log 800. Take note of this, that if you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. Then this can be written as x log 8 is equal to log 800. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 8. This divided by log 8. Then this divided by log 8. This log 8 cancel this log 8. S is equal to log 800 over log 8. But 800 is equal to 8 multiplied by 100. Then this can be written as x is equal to log 8 multiplied by 100 over log 8. This is the same thing as log 8 plus log 100 over log 8. Let us split this. S is equal to log 8 over log 8 plus log 100 over log 8. This log 8 cancels this log 8. S is equal to 1 plus log 100 over log 8. But 100 is equal to 25 multiplied by 4. S is equal to 1 plus log 4 multiplied by 25 bracket over log 8. S is equal to 1 plus log 4 over log 8 plus log 25 over log 8. Now here 4 is equal to 2 square. 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. Then 25 is equal to 5 square. S is equal to 1 plus log 2 square over log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 square over log 2 raised to power 3. Now if you have log a raised to power n, this is equal to n log a. We have x is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 over 3 log 2 plus 2 log 5 over 3 log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. S is equal to 1 plus 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 multiplied by log 5 over log 2. S is equal to, here we have, this is over 1. SM is 3. 1 and 3, 3. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 over 3 plus 2 over 3 multiplied by log 5 over log 2. Then if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to 5 over 3 plus 2 over 3 log 5 base 2. Then S is equal to 5 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 3. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. 8 raised to power s is equal to 800. Then 8 raised to power s is 5 plus 2 log 5 base 2 over 3 must be equal to 800. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 bracket the power of 5 plus 2 log 5 base 2 over 3 must be equal to 800. This 3 cancel this 3. Then we have 2 raised to power 5 plus this 2 log 5 base 2 can be written as log 5 square base 2 must be equal to 800. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 square, that is 25 base 2 must be equal to 800. If you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then 2 raised to power 5, this is 32 multiplied by the whole of this is 25 must be equal to 800. Then 32 multiplied by 25, this is 800, is equal to 800, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.